Good morning, guys. It is June 1st already, and the guys will be out mowing. I've got to get this truck unloaded and then go get the trailer plug fixed. It's switched around so that we can pull the Bobcat trailer. Got a project out of town here in next week. I want to be able to pull the Bobcat with it, so Kenna's got an order to fulfill. I'm gonna go unload this dump truck and go get the trailer plug fixed and switched around.
You got the key for me?
So yeah, I got both of them there. Bobcat mowers are coming out. Shirt going out today. Let's head up to Hennings, get this trailer up to them. So we're here at Hennings. Can't wait to get this switched over so that we can at least pull the Bobcat with. What you guys doing? Having a party?
Yeah, they're all going out again.
We never get invited. We just have to clean up everybody else's
Oh,
parties.
that's what this.
They went as far as me saying, I want an NT85.
Ready? Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna go look at some projects now. So here's, we keep booking them while the guys are out mowing, and Kenna's in the office. The guys got 2 days worth of mowing, so there's no landscaping to be done. There is landscaping, but you know, just that's how our schedule is working. So I'm head out of town and look at this project that it's a returning customer. We did some fall cleanup for them last year, at the very end of the season, and then she wanted some landscaping work done this year, so now I'm gonna go over there and take a look at it. So I think she wanted some water feature. She wanted some water feature and maybe a patio. We'll see. Alright guys, I'm back down at the shop. I wasn't feeling good this afternoon. I went out and did 3 bids, and then my teeth start aching from that for the last few days or a week. My teeth been hurting, tooth been hurting, and I'm going in to get a root canal actually next week, I think. Yeah, next week, Thursday. So it's not gonna be fun, but it's got to get done because I was just in pain. My head was throbbing. I couldn't even function, literally. So I took some medication, or took some medication the doctor prescribed just to get the abscess and stuff out of my teeth, and then hopefully I get in soon, because yeah, it's not fun, guys. So the crew was out mowing today, and I'm finally feeling a little bit better. I hope it stays that way so I can get some rest tonight. And the guys got a lot of mowing done today, and they don't have much tomorrow. So yeah, they got the blade sharpened on these bobcats, so the mower's all ready for tomorrow. So yeah, these mowers been real good. So now here, this is what I was going to show you guys. We actually got this was was in that box. The guys opened it up before I did, so so this is what was in the box, you guys. It's Oregon, I think 20, oh shoot, I'm not sure what number it was. Let me check. It's a blade sharpener. Let's see how this works. Let's turn it on. Okay, so just gotta adjust this here. Pretty good. Look at that, guys. Sharp. Alright guys, the guys just opened this up today, so I'm still learning how to use it. I'm not going to tell you that I know how, but I mean, it's going to be quicker than it's going to be faster sharpening blades now than what we normally were doing was with the grinder. So we just got to get a feel of it and learn how to use it. But yeah, overall it's not bad. So